Okay, so that was the overview of it, but now how do you reset it? So you have to take these cowlings off. Often it's just this left side, but sometimes you have to do both sides. And like the other day I had to do both sides to get it working. So there's just 3 thumb finger tightened screws here on the cowling that you have to take off. The one right here in front, and then on this side in front here. And you kind of just slide that off. And then there's a faceplate that you kind of lift. You can see these little screws right here that they guide it. You just lift it up and then you can kind of angle it out. And this is the unit. Now, in the daytime it's a little hard to see. There are different sensors on this thing, but these 3 black or gray box things often are related to the problem that the gate is stuck. So the way we reset it is you look for any of these to have a blue light, and usually one of them will, which means it's got a fault, or I don't know exactly what it means, but it's the thing that's causing the problem. So in order to reset it, you look for the one that's a solid blue, and then you have to do 4 steps here. So you have to turn off the power twice and unplug power twice. So one power is right here. There's a switch right by the white plug. So you turn that off. You turn this power off, so that's 2 powers off. And then you disconnect the main power from the motherboard you just pinch the little outside white levers and then you pull out gently. See how that comes off? And you do the same on the backup power. And now the system is actually without power completely. And then you remember which of these gray things had a blue light on it. You want to pull that out and reseat it. So let's say it was the right one. Just pull it out kind of gently. It takes a little bit of force and a little wiggling up and down, helped a lot there. Now it's out, and then you want to just reseat it. Which, be careful as you do this, and then just push it in there nice and firmly. And then you, this by the way is the thing that would control the time of day the gate was open automatically or whatever. Right now it's just closed permanently, but in case anybody ever needed to know how to do that, you can find a video online how to program that. Then you do what we did in reverse order. You put the backup power back in, you put the main power back in, you turn on this power, and you turn on this power, and then you give it a second. It's going to make a beep. And then possibly you would do that, that's the beep, and then maybe a few more seconds it's ready to go. You may have to do that on the other side as well. Once you do that, the system should start working again. And that's basically it. There is a manual on the board up here. There's an open button that you can actually just push to test it.